I don't think so. No, no, no.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our space. On today's video, we're making this. So I have the stew, but I need to make jollof rice. So I said, okay, let's do this. So I already washed this rice. I didn't pre-cook. So after washing, I introduced inside the pot, added sliced onions, then crayfish, enough crayfish, thyme, curry powder, salt, seasoning cube, then water. So this is warm water. After adding warm water, then this is the stew I showed you earlier. I now introduce just small, stir, and then this is vegetable oil. I added this oil just more. After that, cover, allow it to cook, come back, and this is it. Our jollof. Funny enough, guy, the taste came out so nice. So this is my carrots and green beans. I will then stay. So guys, I will seize this opportunity to thank every one of my subscribers on YouTube and all my followers on Facebook. Thank you for your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. And if you're watching us from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Every of my subscribers on YouTube, follow us on Facebook. Please do bring your plate. Let's dissect this together because it's about to go down. It's about to go down. This is so yummy. So try this recipe. If you have stew and you are craving jollof rice, try this recipe and thank me later. Watch out for our next upload. Ciao.